Hi everyone. Okay, so this video should be significantly better than the previous ones you've seen. Got a face cam. That should be fun. My audio quality should have significantly improved. And I want to today and for the 35 days afterwards try and put out one video a day on game development. So what you're seeing right here, this is not the game I've been working on, at least not the game I've been working on for YouTube, but I wanted to show it off a little bit. Basically, all it is right now is you've got a ball, you can move it with the arrow keys, and it's got some weight to it, right? But what I want it to be is sort of a pinball type game. So okay, thank you, Windows. A pinball type game. So you've got, let's go into Blender. It's a little easier to explain. Right, so basically right here, let's see, you're the ball and you want to deliver from houses, this is the house, trust me, to business, or you want to deliver from businesses to houses. And if you every time you connect a business to a house, you get 1 point. And so the way that you lay this out is, there's maybe like a bunch of houses over here and one business and a bunch of businesses over here in one house, and then it's like, what's the most efficient route, that sort of thing. And so right now what I need to do is make a level, and again I'm basing this on pinball, so our ball here, I believe, is 1 meter tall. So I'm basically going to construct a level scaled to pinball size, where, if the ball is 1 meter, then, the ratio of the ball to the level should maintain about that. And then I need to figure out things like, I need to put everything in a table, so I can keep track of what pairs of buildings are connected or not, so I can give the player points and that sort of thing. And then sort of in phase 3, once all that stuff's worked out, I want to add monsters to the game. And so the way that will work is you'll have some sort of like fighting game style boost meter right here, and it'll let you'll get a little boost of speed, but it'll also, if you've got a monster in your way, it'll let you just go right through the monster. And so in fighting game, or in pinball games, they've got like standees. You get your monsters, you got a sword or whatever. Rawr. And then if you hit him, he sort of falls down. Yeah, so I want that sort of effect. I really liked Little Gator Game, where all the enemies are like cardboard. So I want to see, it's basically, if you're going fast enough, it doesn't stop you at all. You just like knock it over. And so I think that would be fun. So, and this is all for the GMTK, or oh my gosh darn it, zoom even further, GMTK. I missed the game jam this year, but I want to do sort of each of the previous jams, and hopefully I'll be able to finish that before the next one drops. So this is all for the dual purpose design. And so the dual purpose design is like the speed boost is also your attack, and I want there to be some sort of mechanic for like if you fall off the edge, you either respawn back in the center, or you go to the other side or something, so that like moving around, like moving off the edge, like teleports you, and that's useful. There's all kinds of stuff I can add, but the main thing I want to add is just these sort of standees, because then your speed boost serves it a second purpose, and that's because it was inspired by Downwell, where you've got gun boots, so shooting your gun boots slows you down so you don't crash into things, but also fights enemies. And there's like a currency that also turns into a like boost meter that like lets you do crazy combos and stuff. And so yeah, that's basically the main idea here. Okay, edit mode. Z, I want to stay the same. Scale X to 20. $48. Yep. Okay, and then in Godot, let's see, what's this? This is the, okay, get rid of this. Oh, right, I forgot to give it collision. Let's just check for... Alright, and then let's just drag it in the world. Cool. Alright, and let's test that. Okay, I have no idea why half of my ball is invisible now. Something about... Wow, okay, so... Yeah, I don't know why that's happening. Oh, no, I do know why that's happening. Okay. And let's try it now. Okay, cool. That works perfectly. Now, the one thing is... wait. Okay, cool. Yeah, that looks fine. The one thing is the ball might have too much momentum. Like, it's hard to stop it. Okay, now I need to remember how to, so we can move it around, but I think I also want I want you to be able to look around as well. So I'll go into script. So it's func. Oh, right, I should probably explain what all this code is doing first. So if I press escape, it just quits. If I press up, down, right, or left, it takes this rolling force and adds it to my character. It's pretty straightforward. Unhandled input. Or unready. Okay, I'm gonna fuck this up. Let's Godot 3, let's see Godot 4. I'm not going to worry about that for now. Okay, so input.mass mode equals captured. And now that doesn't work, and my ball doesn't. Does that really? Why? Yeah, okay, now my... Let's try this. Okay. Now that works. That works, that works. Okay, let's try this. Okay, right. So I can't see my cursor, so that's working. Great. Okay. I'm gonna stop the recording here.